Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I'm joining in once again with Tammy Powley at Peacecraft Dolls with Tammy Powley on her challenge this month, which is Celebrate. That's the word she put out. Anybody can join in. You can still join in on this challenge. I'm going to show you some Happy Mail I got, which makes me celebrate. And I think, well, let's wait on that. I got these from the Lou at the Real Prince Club, and she sent me a real nice note about what's going on in her life in a Christmas card. And inside of that, she sent me, this is so cool, she sent me patterns for doll clothes. And I think she printed these out for me. And I think, this is the fun part, I think these will work for my midi Blyce. Yeah, look at that. Look at that, that's cute. Let's see about these. Those will have to be taken in quite a bit. But let's look here. This little pair of shorts. Maybe. Little swimsuit. How cute is that? And she didn't just send one, she sent two. I thought this was so nice. I can't thank you enough, Lou. This was really going to be fun. Let's see again. These are the hardest dolls to find patterns for, but that might work. For the midi, these dolls are very tiny, and they're also very narrow. If you want your clothes to fit baggy, you can find all kinds of patterns. But if you want that nice, snug, form-fitting outfit, then you're going to have to tweak a lot of the patterns. Let's lay this doll down. I'll say that's really cute. That's really cute. You could take that in on the sides and make that. But anyway, all these are from Lou, and I am celebrating that she sent them. I also wanted to tell you, if you are alone for the holidays, you don't have to be alone. Reach out to the doll community. Leave notes in comments. Visit with people. You know, engage yourself. Offer to send a little Happy Mail to someone. You can chat back and forth. Tell you what's really fun. Join in on these challenges like this one today, Celebrate, or join in on collabs. Ask people to join you and, you know, come up with a collab that's easy to do, and you get to chatting with people and you get to know them. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Have a wonderful holiday season. Leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.